What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Another quick unboxing video today. Another piece to the puzzle on the TRX build. So right over here, we got the next piece of the puzzle. You already know what it is from the headline and thumbnail of this video. It is the Oracle LED wheel lights. So this is the first lighting upgrade that we're going to be installing on the TRX. This is exactly how the product comes shipped. This is the single row LED for the lights, for the wheel lights. So let's go ahead, open this up. So like I said, Oracle lighting. Let's go ahead. So there we have it. Let's go ahead. This is just an invoice over here from Oracle. As you can see, LED wheel ring kit. So these are just like the picture, the white LEDs. This is obviously the box it comes shipped in. Let's get rid of this. Flip this over onto the back. So they do have, the multi-color kits and then dedicated colors as well if you want that. I just went with the white. So you can see up here, DIY, QR code for installation and all that. Just go ahead and give you a quick look of all of that. And the sides of the box, just, branded box. And up here, turn you around, single white. There you go, part number, SKU number. Let's go ahead, open this up now. Turn this back around. So, little decal, some instructions. It looks like the back page of the box. So quick little wire and diagram. There will be an install video on this. So inside we have the actual LED rings themselves, like so. You can see single row LED. They also have the double row. Pull it out of the box. Here so you can see the wiring harness has a quick connection, plenty of lead right there. Then over here we got, looks like the jumper for all the wiring harness right there. So zip ties and all that fun stuff that you're gonna need for installing. And yeah, that about sums it up. So got one ring here. Let's go ahead and just empty out the entire box. These are pretty heavy duty too. I'm actually kind of surprised. They're not really flimsy or anything. This is all metal. These are solid. You see, they don't shake around or anything. So they're not like some of the cheaper ones where they're super flimsy. No, these are actually pretty heavy duty, and I'm kind of happy about that. I think these are $200 for the kit, so not terribly priced. But sorry guys, it's hard to do with one hand. There we go. And there's the last one. So all four of them right there. Box is empty. I'll go ahead and open up this as well. Get this out of here. Make some room. All right. We got all four rings there. Let's open this up. So like I had said, zip ties. Got the little splitter right here. Positive, negative wiring right there. And then the switch. I probably won't be using that, but there's your switch. And then these are just self-tapping screws for installation. So yeah guys, this is a quick one today. This is just the unboxing. Stay tuned for the installation video. Again, these are going to be going on my Ram TRX. So yeah guys, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.